Good morning, grade 6 pupils, and to all Valenzuelanos out there. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Are you ready to explore and discover new learnings? Awesome! Welcome to another amazing episode of Valenzuela FB Live for Science 6. I am so glad to meet you again. Can I get a heart reaction before we start our lesson? Thank you, kids. Let's get started. Our most essential learning competency for today is to describe the planets, the solar system, focusing on their color, sizes, and distance from the sun. Let me give you a few reminders to be observed during our FB Live discussion. First, type your real name and school name. Listen carefully and jot down notes. Respect everyone's view online. Don't send stickers. Don't use foul words. And don't play games or watch TV. Since everything is set and clear to you, we may now start our today's discussion. Are you excited? If yes, click the thumbs up button in the comment section. Last time, we discussed about the general characteristics of the planets. What is this again? The general characteristics of the planets are massive, spherical, and it has atmosphere. It revolves around the sun. It shines by reflected light. And it has no light of its own. We also discussed the inner planets or the terrestrial planets. They are solid, rock-like, and dense. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are some examples of planets in terrestrial planets. We also discussed gas planets or Jovian planets. It is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, no solid surface. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are some examples of Jovian planets. And to make our lesson more exciting and enjoyable, kindly identify the planet being described below. Identify the planet being described below. 1. I'm the planet that everyone calls red. But really, my soil is rust, color instead. Look up and you may spot in the sky. I'm the orange colored dot way up high. Which planet I am? Just type your answer in the comment section, kids. Very good. The answer is Mars. Next. With over 63 moons, you might say I have a lot. Look with a telescope to see my big red spot. The spot is a windstorm swirling around. High in the night sky is where I can be found. Which planet I am? Just type your answer in the comment section, kids. Very good. The answer is Jupiter. Next. I'm a, I'm a giant gas planet out in space. There are bands or stripes all over my face. When it comes to size, I'm number 2. I have bright rings. That's an easy clue. Which planet am I? Very good. The answer is Saturn. Next, I'm blue and green and a little brown. I'm a small planet with life all around. They call me the third rock from the sun. I don't have many moons, just one. Which planet am I? Very good. The answer is planet Earth. Good job, kids. With that, I will give you a big thumbs up. Are you familiar with these planets? These are related to our topic this fourth quarter, and it's all about the planets in the solar system. Let's have our science trivia for today. Long before, the first satellites were sent to space in the 1960s in order to prove that the Earth is indeed round. Ancient Greek mathematicians Eratosthenes had found the proof using a simple stick, and that was more than 2,000 years ago. Eratosthenes carried out an experiment that not only confirmed the planet's spherical shape, but also allowed him to calculate its circumference at 40,030 kilometers. Oh, what a nice trivia, kid, isn't it? Let's keep going. For now, let us focus on the planets in our solar system. It can be classified or illustrated according to the following criteria: by color, by size, and by composition. The color of the planets differ from one another. Mercury, gray; Venus, brown; Earth, blue, brown, green, and white; Mars, red, brown, and tan; Jupiter, brown, orange, and tan with white cloud stripes; Saturn, golden, brown, and blue-gray; Uranus, blue-green; and Neptune is blue. They also differ by size. Small planets have diameters less than 13,000 kilometers. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Gas giant planets have diameters greater than 48,000 kilometers, just like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. That's why Mercury is the smallest planet, while Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. By composition, or what they made of, terrestrial or rocky planets are made up of rocks and metals. They have high densities, slow rotation, solid surfaces, no rings, and have few satellites. Mercury, Venus, and Earth, and Mars are terrestrial planets. Venus is one of the brightest planets, while Earth is the only planet where living things can survive. Mars is also known as red planet because of the presence of iron oxide. Jovian or gas planets are made up of hydrogen and helium. They have low densities, rapid rotation, deep atmospheres, have rings, and several satellites. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are Jovian planets. Jupiter is a gas giant with a mass more than 2.5 times that all of the other planets in the solar system combined. Saturn is unique among the planets. It is the only planet to have rings more of the chunks of made up of chunks of ice and rocks. Uranus has the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. The methane in Neptune's atmosphere absorbs the red light from the sun back into space. This is why Neptune appears blue. These are some important numerical facts about the planets of the solar system. We have the planets, approximately distance from the sun, millions of kilometers, approximately diameter in kilometer, average surface temperature, period of rotation with reference to Earth, period of revolution with reference to Earth. Fantastic, kids! Now, after discussing everything, I want you to click the like button in our comment section if you already understood the lesson for the day. Do you have any questions? Please reserve your questions for the follow-up discussion tomorrow. Further activity about the different planets in the solar system we're going to discuss by your science teacher. Grade 6. Do not forget to attend your follow-up discussion tomorrow. To end our journey for today's learning, let us sum up the topic that we discussed. We agree in the rules and regulations during our FB Live discussion. The first four planets are known as terrestrial planets and the last four as known as the Jovian planets or the gas giants. Eratosthenes carried out an experiment that not only confirmed the planet's spherical shape, but also allowed him to calculate its circumference at 40,030 kilometers. Small planets have diameters less than 30,000 kilometers, while giant or gas planets have diameters greater than 48,000 kilometers. The Sun is the center of the solar system and 8 major planets are revolving around it. For our evaluation for today, I want you to choose the letter of the correct answer, then type your answer in the comment section. First, which of the following is the brightest planet in the solar system? Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, C, Earth, D, or Mars? Very good. The correct answer is B, Venus. Number 2, the only planet where living things can survive. A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Jupiter, D, Saturn. Just type the letter of the correct answer, kids. Very good. The correct answer is A, Earth. How about for number 3? This is a rusty planet because of a high concentration of iron in rocks. Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, C, Earth, D, Mars? Great. The correct answer is letter D, Mars. Number 4, this planet has a system of rings, which makes them the beautiful sites in the solar system. Is it A, Jupiter, B, Saturn, C, Uranus, or D, Neptune? Very good. The correct answer is Saturn. Number 5, the biggest and the largest among the planets. A, Neptune, B, Uranus, C, Saturn, or D, Jupiter? Great. The correct answer is Jupiter. Good job, kids. It seems that you already understood our lesson. You may now answer your science learning module for our follow-up learning. Okay, kids, do not hesitate to ask your science teacher if you want to clarify something regarding in our lesson. We are done with our science lesson. You did a great job for today, kids. With that, I must say that you are all super science. Before I end, let me remind you this wonderful quote. Love the earth as you would love yourself. Tune in for more fun and exciting science lesson here in Valenzuela Livestream Science 6 group. Again, I am Sir Winston M. Retiro from Karuhatan East Elementary School. Thank you for watching, kids. Wear your mask, wash your hands regularly, stay home, and stay safe. Have a great day. Bye!